guys, it's Thane. Hey, it's Thane. Today we found a dog, and our little dog Cujo got lost, and this guy showed up, and he started sniffing. I was scared of him at first because I wasn't born with dogs or raised with them, because I didn't know if he was a wild dog or not. However, he found this little dog, walked all the way to our house with his scent, and found this dog for us. And we don't have a home for him. Nobody knows at my house where he lives. Ain't that right, boy? Yes, you're good. You're a good boy. He's a very good boy. He knows how to shake. Shake. Oh, good boy. Yes. You know what? Until he finds a home, he's living with us for now. So he's gonna sleep. He's got a magic trick too. He can also hump stuff. You know, it's kind of weird. And he's watching some Simpsons with me. I think they're right. I'm actually probably gonna cry when he goes. He's a good dog so far. In the last 3 hours, he's a very good dog. His claws are like a son of a bitch. Yes, but I'm gonna go crazy with him with the blanket. So I hope I don't bend my feet at all. So like I said, he stomps on my foot. Yeah, it's nuts, honestly. Yep. Fuck! He was pulling my blanket. I literally stopped on my foot, and I did that, and I cranked it, just like that. Whip that bitch in the back. Stop. Alright, here. Tug of war. He wants to do tug of war. We'll do a tug of war video another day.
No, because look, I'm gonna beat you.
No, you're not.
Yes, the fuck I am.
Alright. Let's do it. Ready?
Hold on.
Oh, now we're seeing whose body's stronger. Okay. The viewers need to fucking see this one. They know I'm already gonna win this. Just remember they did the shit at Homecoming?
Yep.
Yes.
Me and the pepper.
That shit was the shit. Hold on. Hold on. I'm not ready. Okay. Back to back.
Yep.
Okay. Ready?
3,
2, 1. Go.
Oh, shit, that shit hurts. Oh, watch out, watch out.
Oh shit. Help me. Help me. Ow, stop. His paws hurt. Somebody needs to cut his nails. Oh my god. Stop. Ow. He stops hurting me. Hey, come here. Come here. Okay. This is the last part of the video. I'm going to count to 3. We're both going to run upstairs like crazy. And see if he follows. Okay. Hey! 1. Go! Oh shit! Go! Oh fuck! Go!
Why is he scared to go out?
Okay, now let's try to run after him. See what he does.
Okay, let me grab a knife really quick.
Run after him. Oh shit! He's booking it.
What?
Horny dog number 2. Dog fight.
Dude, this fucking...
I want to see him hump this water. He's a good boy. Yeah, so hopefully this guy finds a home. Ain't that right, buddy? Yes, we are keeping him until he finds a home. Called the police earlier, you know, and like I said, we have no clue whatsoever why he's here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got to know this dog very well. He is a very sweet dog. Love you all, subscribers. Remember to subscribe for more content.
Did I get you?
Yes, you got me, asshole.
Oh shit.
Okay. I'm gonna count to 3. We're gonna run outside of him. 1, 2, 3. Ah! No bullshit, I just hit my head.
Shit, that sucks.
Oh, fuck.
Here.
Ah! He just licked my tongue.
Here.
Last tug of war, guys. Who do you think's gonna win this? Well, I don't know. Ask the person who's won the last 10 freaking times. No, how many times have we been? Alright, come on, boy. We're gonna rock this shit. Let's do this. I hope you bust your shit. Alright. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Holy shit. That's way too tight on my
Hey
hand.
guys, it's enough though.
That was way too tight on my hand.
Okay.
That was way too tight. That shit hurt.
Hey! Hit it! Motherfucker. You like peanuts? Put peanut butter all over his ass. Stick a fork right in there. Hold on. I want to see him eat some fucking Miracle Whip.
Here, want some water? Want some water?
Yes. I want to see him eat this Miracle Whip.
Buddy. Ace. Ace, come here.
Yeah. His name's not Ace.
Drink it, drink it.
Also, again, we have no clue what this dog's name is. He's just staying in our home for a while, like I said. So hopefully this guy finds a home, like I said.
Okay, get the fuck on. I want to take a piss, you little shit.
Alright, come on. He's gonna take a little wiener piss. Just like this guy is. He been pulling boners all over. Yes, buddy. You may now. Ow, ow! Ow. Fuck. Okay. Now you may now kiss the bride. Ow! Ah! Go on. Up. Bedtime, buddy. Good night. You sleep in my bed? Sleep in my bed? Yes? Oh, shit. What? Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. I'm gonna deal with this for another 2 hours, so see you. Good boy.